Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best CD AUX adapter is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to modernize their car's audio system without expensive upgrades, allowing you to effortlessly stream music from your smartphone or other devices directly through your car's existing CD player, transforming your driving experience with crystal clear sound and convenient connectivity, making every journey more enjoyable and melodious. Number 5. ARSVITA Car Audio Cassette to AUX Adapter. Do you own a vintage car with a tape player? This adapter lets you enjoy modern music without replacing your classic stereo. It preserves your car's original charm while upgrading its audio capabilities. Its intelligent design ensures a secure connection and minimal signal loss. Dual shielding and gold-plated plugs guarantee reliable performance. You'll experience high-quality stereo sound, anytime, anywhere. Featuring 24K gold-plated connectors and a pure silver wire core, it's built for serious audio enthusiasts. It supports any phone, tablet, or MP3 player with a standard 3.5mm audio jack. With a tested 15,000+ bend lifespan, its TPE audio cables are durable and tangle-free. The premium metallic housing ensures it survives everyday use and complements your gadgets. You receive one adapter with a 3.3 feet 1M audio cord, a manual, and a customer service card. We offer a 16-month replacement policy if you're not completely satisfied. What we like. This adapter is perfect for those with vintage cars still sporting a tape player. It allows you to enjoy modern music without altering your vehicle's classic look. If you want to preserve your car's original aesthetic while getting premium sound, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. JSAUX USB-C to 3.5mm audio AUX cable. Seamlessly link your Type-C devices to any 3.5mm audio jack. This cable makes connecting to car stereos, speakers, or headphones incredibly simple. Enjoy superior audio with high-fidelity sound. It supports up to 16-bit 48 kHz, thanks to its built-in DAC decoding chip. Forget complicated setups. This adapter is truly plug-and-play, requiring no extra software or drivers. Just connect it and immerse yourself in your favorite audio. Engineered for exceptional resilience, this cable features strong fiber and a premium aluminum housing. It can withstand over 10,000 bends, ensuring long-lasting performance. It works with a vast range of Type-C devices, from the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxies to iPads and Pixel phones. Enjoy its versatility across all your gadgets. What we like. This cable delivers high-fidelity sound directly from your USB-C devices to your car stereo. Its robust, nylon-braided design ensures long-lasting performance and tangle-free use. If you have a newer smartphone or tablet and demand clear, reliable audio, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Kinivo BTC 450 Bluetooth Car Kit. Stay connected safely on the road. This device allows you to answer and receive calls effortlessly with any Bluetooth smartphone. It ensures your focus remains on driving. Enjoy your favorite tunes with exceptional clarity. It seamlessly streams music from any Bluetooth-enabled device, supporting aptX for CD-quality audio. Experience your music like never before. Managing your audio and calls is simple with its easy-to-use music controls. A built-in microphone ensures your voice is heard clearly during conversations. Everything you need is at your fingertips. Integrating this kit into your car is straightforward. It only requires a 3.5mm audio input in your car stereo. Once connected, it provides audio for both music and phone calls. This product comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Plus, you'll receive lifetime US-based customer support. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like. Enjoy hands-free calling and seamless music streaming with this Bluetooth car kit. It features aptX for CD-quality audio and includes a ground loop noise isolator for crystal clear sound. If you prioritize wireless convenience, clear calls, and high-quality audio without interference, this adapter is ideal. What people say. No source reviews provided. Unable to extract points as per instructions. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 2. Car Audio CD to AUX adapter for Honda and Acura. Tired of limited music options in your car? This adapter seamlessly integrates with your factory radio, transforming your listening experience. It allows you to connect your phone or MP3 player via AUX. Now you can enjoy your favorite music and audiobooks on the go, no longer limited to CDs. Designed for many Honda models like Accord, Civic, and CR-V, and Acura models including TSX. Please check the full list for your specific vehicle. Its 3.5mm AUX jack connects to cell phones, MP3 players, and Bluetooth receivers. A conversion cable might be needed for phones without a 3.5mm port. While it enhances your audio, please note you can only adjust volume via the panel, not switch songs. Also, avoid charging your phone simultaneously to prevent playback issues. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove your radio and plug it into the CD changer port. A Y cable may be required if the port is already in use. What we like. This adapter upgrades your factory car radio by adding an AUX input directly via the CD changer port. It's specifically designed for a wide range of Honda and Acura models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you own one of these compatible vehicles and want a straightforward AUX addition without replacing your radio, this is a great solution. What people say. Number 1. Car Audio AUX USB adapter for Honda and Acura. This adapter upgrades your factory radio. It frees your car music from CD mode, allowing you to play your favorite music and audiobooks from your cell phone or USB drive anytime, anywhere. It's compatible with many Honda models like Accord, Civic, CR-V, and Odyssey from various years. It also works with several Acura models including CSX, MDX, RDX, and TSX, excluding Type S. It supports both AUX and USB connections. The AUX port is perfect for Bluetooth receivers or MP3 players, while the USB port connects to flash drives or SD cards formatted to FAT. Please note, it's not compatible with integrated satellite radio, you'll need to disconnect it for installation. Also, some radios may require a security code after removal. Installation is simple and upgrades your factory car audio. Just remove your radio and plug it into the CD changer port. If that port is already in use, a Y cable might be needed. What we like. Expand your car's media options with both AUX and USB inputs through this versatile adapter. It's compatible with many Honda and Acura models, allowing you to play music from flash drives or your phone. If you need flexible playback options for your specific car and want to utilize both AUX and USB, this offers excellent versatility. What people say. No positive product details could be extracted as the provided source reviews were empty. The source JSON contained no review content to quote from for the CD AUX cord adapter for car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.